I went ahead and bought the tiny... Hey guys, welcome to my channel. First off, my teeth look so yellow in this entire video and I don't know why. I don't know if it's lipstick, I don't know if it's because of the color I'm wearing. Whatever it is, they look disgusting. Ew. But that's not what this video is about. Oh my gosh. Secondly, look at these nails. Aren't they ridiculous? I look like some kind of evil queen. I don't know what I think about them. I was just like, hey, I'm not in esthetician school anymore, so let's put on some cheap drugstore press-on nails. And I did, so whatever. But first impressions are about to happen. Obviously, I've already been impressed by something. I am doing a first impression on the new Abh Eye Primer. This is 7 milliliters, and this was $13 at Sephora. I went ahead and bought the tiny version just because I wasn't sure if I was going to like it or not. So if I didn't like it, it was only $13. If you guys are interested to see if P. Louise and ABH hold up together and see which one's better, I will be doing that video tomorrow with bright neon-y colors, so we can see how neons really work against these two bases. But I have to say, this thoroughly impressed me. I don't think I've ever been able to pull off this much brightness in an eyeshadow look ever. I mean, this is so bright. I am super impressed. It also did not crease after me wearing it for about an hour on one eye all by itself. And it still packed on all this pigment. So I am completely 110% happy. Now my second first impression is this beauty right here. I was in Sephora grabbing up my primer and I found this as soon as I walked in, and I was like, oh yeah, you're mine. Look at all these glitters, you guys. Are you kidding me? Let me just show you guys a few of these. Like, these are just a few of the shades and the glitters. They are exquisite. I mean, they are so incredibly beautiful. I know, as always, I do have swatches. So, here are the swatches for this palette. And you guys, I cannot tell you how beautiful this pressed glitter formula is. It is so smooth on your eye. It doesn't chunk up and it doesn't flake off into huge glitter flakes all over your face. And with a glitter glue, it stays exactly where you put it. It is so fine and small and delicate that it just looks like an ultra shimmery metallic formula. But look at this color. This is what I'm wearing on my eye, this one right here. It has holographic glitter in it, and it's a pink purple base. I mean, come on. I did find this on Sephora. It says right here, online only. There's no reviews yet. I don't know when this was released, but I walked into Sephora expecting just to get a primer and came out with this palette because it was right there. So I don't know if they are in stores. Mine was in stores. I did bring in some colors from the Violet Voss Sugar Crystals palette, and these are the perfect companion to this palette, you guys. So I did go in with this Mint Choco here and Sugar Crystals right here. My nails are so pretty. But look at these two palettes side by side. They are so beautiful together, you guys. But anyways, I was so impressed with this eye look. I think I'm gonna actually do 3 more looks with this palette because there is such a variety of creations to be had with this color story. I mean, you could do beautiful neutrals, you could do like sunset tropical vibes, you could pull more cool, you can mix all of these with these neutrals and make a completely different look. I'm excited, and these glitters, like, I need to try every single glitter, so probably gonna be creating 3 looks with all glitters. But anyways, you guys, if you are interested in seeing this look and seeing how well the ABH primer performed, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this primer. Ooh, it matches my nail. Not planned. Okay, so here is the primer. Let's go ahead, and I just want to see what this looks like. Oh, it's runny. It's like very thin. It's very liquidy. It is definitely more liquidy than my P. Louise. Oh, this comes out so much faster than my P. Ooh, I got way too much on this brush here, you guys. Oh, it came out so fast. Oh, I can't even suck it back in. Like, you know how you squeeze something and then kind of try and get it back in the tube? It's so full that it's not, oops. So, I'm gonna have to figure out what to do. I think I might have to prime both my eyes a little early and just have this one sit on it for a little bit. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. She wants to bring out the brightest colors and pigments in your guys' shadows. So in order to do that, the base needs to be brighter. I am noticing there's like no, like, you know, textured areas. It's not really patchy. It covers it really beautifully, actually. So let's get into this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Do I look blown away? I'm not. I'm hoping this base is not letting me down and giving me a bad first impression on this. Now, that is the pigment I was expecting. Yes. Yes. Okay. All right, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Let's cut our crease with this primer. Let's see how it works. So I have cut my crease. Now it looks like I have actual eyelids. Yay. I am going to put this beautiful dark purple piece color on this outer corner. Alright, and now for this beautiful glitter here. I'm actually going to use glitter primer, and I'm going to put it right on top of this base here. And then for glitter, I am going in with Hugs here. And we will see how beautiful this glitter is. I'm so excited! Alright, so I have a thick wing, and what I'm going to do in the middle is come in with some colors and just do a tiny little gradient right in the middle of my wing. So the colors I'm going to use for that is Money, Parties, and Living. Alright, I am going in with Jordana Easy Liner in Tantalizing Teal. It is just a really pretty teal. And then I'm going to put on mascara and lashes and do my other eye. Alright, you guys, I have finished this look. I completely love it. Oh my gosh, I did not put on fake lashes because I did a little kind of fun detail with this eyeliner and I actually love it, and I still want people to be able to see that. So I did not put on fake lashes. I just did regular mascara because fake lashes would have hid all that detail there. And I actually, ooh, yes, this was the wrong colored shirt to wear with this eye look. But you guys, first impressions. I don't know how this wears, but I do know that I wore it for the entire time I was putting on this one, and it didn't crease at all. What is that? What is that? And P. Louise creases on me. This did not. I have such bright, vibrant colors right now on my lids. I have a monitor here, like right below me. I keep looking down at my eyes because I'm like, jeez. First impressions on both of these. I mean, holy crap. They both way surpassed my expectation. That is all I have for this video. Do I still have my teeth? And I will see you in my next one. Bye! I'm gonna break my new nails. Don't worry, they're just drugstore nails. Ow.